We are live, and I'm going to introduce you to my new trading strategy. It's called the Money Line Volume Trading Strategy, and I absolutely love it. Why? Because it works. I currently have an 82% win rate. Now, this is from when I initially created it and realized that I had an absolute banger. But if you can't see it, there we go, 82%. So let's get started on this. Now, if you want to learn this trading strategy, is really simple. The link is down in the description, and you're very simply going to go click on it, and it's going to take you to the sales page, which will either look like this or like this. And it's going to give you access to my VIP group, where you're going to learn everything that you need to know to make this work for you. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you just how simple this is, and we're only using 3 indicators: the Williams, the volume, and 1 moving average. All of the specs are actually right inside of the group with step-by-step tutorials, and I can't tell you how simple this is. Okay, so the reason that I took this was because of this candle right here. And those are my puppies that are being obnoxious in the background. So this one right here, we're going to take a vertical line and we're going to move it so you could see what I'm referring to. I'm referring to this candle right here. So price is coming up above it because our volume bar tells us that this is stronger, and it's going to push price up. So we have 11 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that, my friend, is how you do it. All right, so let's go see what else we have going on here. Actually, if price comes down here, we're going to take it again. $23 seconds left on this. I'm not sure how far this is going to come down, and that's because of the wick on this candle right here and because of this right here. So that is actually what is causing that rejection. So I'm referring to this. This is what's causing rejection right now. Okay, we need price to come down back to the same AOI, and when it does, well, that was a little bit late, but we're going to get it. So this is how simple this system is, okay? The volume shows you where the SNR is that you need to map. The Williams shows you where to buy and sell, and the moving average shows you where price is currently at as far as trend. Now, this is not looking good. It's not looking good, but you would actually be surprised when price comes way up above it and you're like, oh crap, I thought I was going to lose. So it's nearing the -50 line of the Williams, which means that we're probably going to lose this, but that is okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to wait for price to come down, and we are going to hit all of these on 3 seconds. Now, what was that? What did I do? I waited for price to come down here so that I could hit the support, or near the support of my volume bar. All right, my volume candle. Okay, let's go see what else we have. Again, this is all about being patient. That's our money line. We missed the money line. So this is our current candle. So we map our resistance of it and our support. Now, price rejected off of the support of the body, but we're in a downtrend, so we're not going to buy. We would have wanted to sell right there at the top. So if price comes up to that line right here, we are going to sell. I forgot to change it back to 1 minute. That's all right. We're going to sit pretty and wait 40 seconds. $33 seconds. So now if I have any indication that I'm going to lose, I'm going to switch it to 3 seconds. And I'm going to wait for the Williams to give me an indication that I can sell. And I got all of those. But I'm also going to get these. And this is so beautiful that oh man, I want to take a screenshot of this, but because I'm recording, I don't want to take it. All right. So I am recording this while I am live so that I can break it into pieces for you guys. All right. So that is the strategy. All right. So, this is what it looks like. Look at all these greens. All right. Yes, we have some losses back to back, but that was when I forgot to switch it from 3 seconds to a minute. So if you want to profit from day one, you're going to use the links. It's going to drop you down into my VIP group after purchase. It's either going to be this sales page or it's going to be the one that I was just on right here. This is the Moneyline volume strategy. It is super, super simple. As you could see, it's very hard to lose, especially when you're taking your time and you're finding your trades. All right. So if you want to learn this, the course is in here. I go live. I post my examples. There's the forum, etc. All right. So this is a no-brainer. It is $299 and you can get in right now and you can be profitable either later tonight or tomorrow. Like that's literally how simple this is. So you can continue with using all these other strategies that, you know, either are not tested or they're super difficult to understand, or you could do something that gets real results today. All right, so I will see you guys later.